In this video I'll be making one of my favourite drinks, which is a slow infusion. Not that kind of slow, that kind of slow. Although this one did take me over 2 months to make, so it's a pretty slow infusion. So the first job to do is put in a kilo of some nice ripe sloes into 1 litre of 40% ABV neutral spirit. These sloes were frozen beforehand. That's to help break down the cells in the fruit and also split the skins. But you could just as easily wait until the first frost and let nature do the work for you. So the next thing to do is add in 250 grams of granulated white sugar, and then seal the jar up and store this out of direct sunlight for at least a month. For the first few days you could shake the jar up a little bit just to agitate everything and help dissolve the sugar. So this particular batch I actually ended up leaving to infuse for 2 months in the end, and as you can see it's got a real rich deep kind of red colour to it now. So it was time to strain it off, and then also what I found with this, you do need to filter it again through a doubled over piece of muslin. And that's it. Last thing to do, chuck it into a bottle. And here we are at the end of the video, and as per usual I have the final product, the slow infusion. Look at that though. Look at the colour on that. That's fantastic, isn't it? That really is good. The aroma off this is somewhat like a possible red currant berry kind of aroma, but it's more down to the taste, and I can't wait. Cheers. Ooh. Ooh. That is so good. If you get a chance to make this yourself, obviously play around with the quantities of fruit and sugar and ABVs, because my videos, I've said this before, they are about my experience of making this stuff, but it's not necessarily the correct way to make this kind of stuff. But I'm one happy bunny with this nonetheless. I've read somewhere that this can take 1 to 2 years to mature, and possibly a third to be at its best, but that's for another video. In the meantime, I'm over the moon, so if you enjoy the hobby of distilling, then make sure you keep on shining.